So now let's see how we can work around with Gaussian blur and ghosting effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to do that, I'm going to go around and bring in this particular footage right here. And once I do that, I'm going to go around under effects over here. And once I do this, you can see that Gaussian blur is in effect. So if I were to click and drag this around over here, then you can see that this is a blur. Compared to the fast blur, this is a more accurate blur right here, where it blends out the pixels, but it does take a bit more time to process. But this is a very popular way to blur out footages. You can also choose horizontal or vertical way right here to blur it out and repeat out the S pixels right here. So you can see the S pixels right here. When you blur out, it just blacks out and blends. So what you can do is you can go around and repeat them out right here so that they seem natural. So that is what you have. You can go around and then disable the blur out over here just like this as well to hide it. And then other effect that you have is ghosting. So what this allows you to do is it ghosts out. So you can see that as I go around and then play this video, there's a ghosting effect right here just like this. So if I were to go around over here, then this is it. So you can see that the ghosting effect is applied and it is here just like this. And you can go around and enable the Gaussian blur right here just like this as well. So if I were to enable it, then this is the effect that you have altogether. So that is how you can work around with the Gaussian blur effect and apply up the ghosting effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.